Okay, so y'all can't tell, but it's like 10 o'clock at night right now. It's pitch black outside. I've been working all day on the kids' playhouse. I just put the shingles on. That was terrible. Shout out to people who do roofs. I don't know why you do it. I don't know if that video is going to be up before this or not. If it's not, then insert cool pic here. But anyways, while at Home Depot, my wife wanted to go with me, and she hasn't been able to get out much, just like most people. And since she can't go to the mall and day shop for her clothes and shoes and fashions and whatever else you women buy, she decided to go ham in Home Depot. So she decided we need a new mailbox. But since we're not normal and we can't get just a normal mailbox, we had to get the one that looks like a small bank, made out of cast iron and weighs like 50 million pounds. And of course that means we're gonna need a new post, and we need a new post anyways. It looks bad. We probably have the worst mailbox on the entire street. It is rough. It doesn't even, so I gotta make a new mailbox, or mailbox post, and we're gonna make it tonight. Could this have waited till the morning? Maybe. Something from Rockler Woodworking. It says best customer. That's me. I found my brad nailer, which I'm very excited about. I haven't used it in some time because I don't know why. I just haven't had anything that's needed it. But I just realized that you kind of need it's an air compressor. It's called an air compressor. You're supposed to be a professional, something to plug into, and I just remembered I left that at my brother-in-law's house. What time is it? I think it's time for an adventure. I need to figure out a base for it. Something flat, you know, something square. Man, I'm in the middle of something here.
What did I?
Good enough. Get back there in your corner. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Anyways, thanks guys for watching that. I hope you guys enjoyed. The mailbox looks great. It definitely looks like people live here and not a homeless person. I don't think I have a picture of the old one, but it was really bad. Like, I'm surprised the mailman was still putting mail inside of it. You good? You good? Can I record this? Yeah, okay. What happens when your wife moves into your garage? So I just took that, milled up some trim and put it on there. So I already had the can of spray paint, but I mean, it's actually $106 post because the mailbox was like $100. But if you just need a post, $6. Can't beat it. No, the mailman did not deliver that NOS, but if he did, that'd be awesome. What'd you say? I do that. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. There is like a code for doing that. So just so you know, there is like a specific height that your mailbox is supposed to be at. I looked it up online for what it was supposed to be. I also asked my mailman, who is a super nice guy, and he said that he liked it a little higher and if I could do that for him. So I actually made it a few inches higher for him to make it a little bit easier. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. If you hated this video, please leave a comment below. I love your insults. Thank you so much for guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you soon.